So it's the first Friday of 2024. That means another Airdrop Fridays is coming your way. And in today's episode, I got two airdrops for you that can possibly be claimed right now. Now, I also got an additional farming strategy that I did in the Cosmos network to position myself for some imminent airdrops that are coming. But more info on that one later. Now, one of the ways you can know when a bull run is coming is by the amount of airdrops being given out. Now, 2023 has seen tons of airdrops, some earning persons 20,000, 30,000, even as much as 80,000 US dollars, seen with the Jito airdrop. And I believe that 2024 will be no different. It's mind boggling the amount of airdrops that are lined up in 2024, and I'll be here to cover as many as possible to give you, my followers, the opportunity to increase your wealth. So ensure you hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, and ring that bell notification to never miss any of my videos. For those who don't know me, my name is Joseph, and welcome to Money Block. Now, this video is going to be a very short one, so let's just kick it off here. Now, the first airdrop up is one that can be claimed right now if you've met certain requirements, and that one is called less fees and gas. Now, this is a meme coin that was recently created to troll Ethereum and their sometimes exorbitant fees. Now, if you have been on Ethereum, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. Now, Ethereum fees can get very high very quickly. At one point in the previous bull run, I had to pay over 700 US dollars just to process one of my transactions. Now, if you didn't have sufficient gas, then you had to sit on the sidelines and wait until the gas war was over, whilst the large players were making tons and tons of money. Now, that's one of the disadvantages of ETH. Now, less fees and gas has identified that problem and wants to reward us with some LFG tokens for the amount of money we lost in gas fees. Now, right here they say greetings from Solana. Now, we're writing to let you know we found the fast, secure, decentralized future you envisioned. We've included a little gift to prove to you it's real. So you can click here to claim these LFG tokens, or you can click here as well. So what you need to do is just hit the claim option, select your Ethereum wallet, select the wallet that you have. I have MetaMask. Now here it says congratulations, you've already claimed your LFG. So I have went ahead and verified this site. I've claimed my LFGs, so they're sitting in my wallet now, and the total amount of LFG that I claimed was around 50 US dollars. So this is the price that it's at now. It's up 90% on the day, so I mean it's not bad for some free money in your wallet. And it's relatively early. As I said, I think it was created last week, so it's still early. I plan on holding it for some time just to see how far it may go. But after you've selected your wallet, it will tell you the amount of LFG tokens that you can claim if you have met that requirement. It also shows you the amount of gas that you've spent in your entire life using Ethereum. So that's a little neat trick as well. Now, once you've done that, it will tell you to select your Sol wallet, being the destination for these LFG tokens because it sits on Solana's network. So once you've selected your Sol wallet, you would click confirm for those LFG tokens and claim and confirm in your wallet, and those LFG tokens will be sent directly to your wallet. And that's pretty much it for this one. So give this video a like if you've claimed those LFG tokens and gotten those free airdrop. Now, if you want to sell those tokens, you can actually do it over on, I believe, Raydium. Now, I'll leave a link to the actual pool where you can swap those LFG tokens for any other token that you wish to. And that's it for this one. Well, the next one up is from Ice Network. Now, I don't know if you guys remember, but I did an Airdrop Fridays video on Ice Network a couple weeks ago where you could mine free ICE tokens directly from your mobile phone. So if you're still mining ICE tokens on your mobile phone, well, today is your lucky day because Ice Network has announced that they'll be airdropping those ICE tokens that were mined on your phone directly to your Ethereum address. And all that is required of you is to add that Ethereum address to the mobile app. So starting this month, Ice Network will be distributing those ICE tokens in waves on a monthly basis until the end of the year. So again, all that is required of you is to just add your Ethereum address to your ICE mobile app. And I believe it is done right somewhere around here. So if you log into your ICE mobile app, you would see the option here to add Ethereum address. So you simply copy your wallet address from your Ethereum wallet and paste it in that required spot, and you will be eligible to receive those ICE tokens. Now, the final thing I want to talk about is that farming strategy that I did on Cosmos. Now, I made a thread on Twitter surrounding that airdrop strategy. You can check it out on Twitter. Right, so if you head over to my page on Twitter, you can see that I made a Cosmos Network airdrop farming guide. Now you can check out this thread in your own time. Try to do some of these as well, as it will put you in a great position of earning airdrops on the Cosmos Network. But yeah, that pretty much wraps up this one here. Now let me know if you found any value in this video, and comment in the comment section below if you've gotten those LFG tokens as well. So until then, guys, I wish you a very productive 2024, and I'll see you again in my next video. Peace.